Alright, yes, I'll be here. Got my zero gauge going. As you can see, nice little fuse box. And I actually have a guy helping me right now. He's my little apprentice. His name's Dean.
What's up, guys?
He's a piece of shit. But anyways, he actually ran the wire back. Dean, go open that side door. He actually ran that wire back. We have it back here right now. We can't hook anything up because I have to either get a bigger amp or I have to get a connector to shrink it for now until I can afford a bigger amp. He ran the wire. We ran it through the firewall over there, over the seat. And as you can see, oh yeah, me. I was clever. I figured out, just cut this, get it under it, okay? It looks real clean, real clean. And the sub. And we're actually putting the sub up, port up to the ceiling. Sub, up, sub, up. And this is what we'll be doing it with. We're gonna be taking this, drilling holes into it. I'm taking this green thing, drilling holes into it, putting it all the way along the edge. Should work pretty nice. And I might have a bass demo for you today. We'll see. And then I'll post a video, alright? Oh god, failure.
Why?